Batanga is a refreshing Mexican cocktail made with tequila, cola, and lime juice. It's a simple yet delicious drink perfect for any casual occasion. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces tequila, preferably a good quality blanco tequila, juice of 1 lime, freshly squeezed pinch salt, to taste, top with cola, Mexican Coca-Cola if available, for an authentic taste, lime slices to garnish, optional for presentation. For equipment you will need highball glass, knife, muddler, bar spoon, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice. Add the tequila and the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lime. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Top up the glass with cola. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lime slice if desired. The Batanga Cocktail is said to have been created by Don Javier Delgado Corona, the proprietor of La Capilla, a famous cantina in Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico. Legend has it that the drink is traditionally stirred with a big knife used for cutting limes, adding to its rustic charm.